Bowmaker, a cutting-edge, ultra-short throw laser projector with 2500 ANSI lumen output and a maximum image size of up to 200 inches. Polaris 4K laser TV brings every scene to life with 4K HDR10 images. By using tri-color RGB laser technology, Polaris renders a stunning 193% NTSC color gamut. The 3 individual lasers allow Polaris to mix red, green, and blue channels in different quantities, achieving brighter, more vivid colors than a conventional projector, with a maximum screen size 3 times the average TV. But what's a big image without big sound? Polaris features built-in Dolby DD+ surround sound and Bluetooth audio streaming, giving you full 3-dimensional audio immersion while viewing. And the ultra-short 0.25 to 1 throw ratio lets you place Polaris at the front of the room and still get a big picture, bringing you a cinematic experience in the comfort of your own home. And comfort is what Polaris was built for, or specifically, eye comfort. Traditional screens cast blue light directly into your eyes, causing eye strain and headaches, but with the Polaris Laser TV, the light you see is reflected, less blue and less harsh. And MEMC motion smoothing and 3D noise reduction creates a cleaner, smoother image, perfect for fast-paced action. With HDMI, USB component inputs, plus Bluetooth support, Polaris is compatible with everything from Blu-ray to your favorite streaming device.
Bowmaker has been creating high-quality speakers and projectors since 2015. With the Polaris 4K laser TV, we're bringing everything to the next level. The Polaris is not only sharper, brighter, and more colorful than other projectors, it's quieter and more energy efficient. If you're ready to experience the future of television, back us today to claim your exclusive discount and see the difference for yourself.
Polaris 4K laser TV. Enjoy the future of television.
Play the videos in USB drive. Curtain down, turn the lights off.
Get ready for a cinematic breakthrough in the world of TV and projectors. Introducing the world's most powerful 4K projector, capable of delivering a massive 150-inch picture. The ultra-short throw technology brings true 4K experience to transform the way you watch TV. We used AOPD 3.0 technology to double light efficiency, create superior color, and highest brightness out there. AOPD 3.0 is the same technology used in top movie theaters around the world, which means you get gigantic movie theater experience in your own home. 4K resolution with HDR10 brings you a new level of definition. Blacks are deeper, whites are brighter. VAVA extends the limits of imagination and takes you further than ever before. Enjoy mind-blowing sound quality with a built-in soundbar from Harman Kardon that's 3 times more powerful than a standard TV. The VAVA laser projector combines the most advanced features of the latest TVs and projectors while solving the pain points of both. Let's start with the size. Current TVs can reach around 75 inches. VAVA laser projector projects up to 150 inches 4K image, which is 4 times the size. In the past, you could not walk in front of the projector. It created shadows. Also, professional installations are expensive. VAVA's ultra-short throw floor mat means the projector sits straight against the wall, delivering a cleaner look and saving you costs on mounting and installation. Traditional projectors require expensive bulb replacements. VAVA uses laser technology, which lasts 25,000 hours. This is up to 10 times longer than regular projector bulbs, which means you won't ever have to change bulbs again, ever. Let's talk safety. When you're watching TV, you're getting thousands of lights beamed straight into your eyes. With the VAVA projector, the image is reflected off a surface, significantly reducing eye strain.
No other projector or TV combines all the benefits of a 150-inch 4K picture screen and an ultra-short throw laser projection at the price of a standard 82-inch TV.
The VAVA projector will change the understanding of what's possible in the movie screening world.
We've done all the research and design, and we have a working prototype. Help us get it to the mass production and make the VAVA projector available to everyone. Thank you.
The VAVA Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector. It's time to bring the theater home.